talk time. You know, damn, I forgot what I was gonna say. That's what turned my trading around. We all started, right? You listen to Kramer and he's always talking fundamentals and stuff like that, and you want to learn about companies and it's all that balance sheet. I remember I learned all that balance sheet lingo, mumbo jumbo crap, and I was buying stocks that had it going on the balance sheet, but nobody was buying it. And you sit and you hold it and you hold it and you hold it, waiting for everybody to catch on. And it don't catch on because there's be some good stocks. People just don't want to buy them. They want to stick with the momentum stocks, the stocks that's moving. So I started learning technical analysis. Just started buying stocks that's going up. That was the start. Just buy a stock that's going up. Period. If it ain't going up, I don't want it. And then that started working. Then I just started getting into more of the patterns and drawing the trend lines and learning things like that. And I got into the what's that called? The indicators. Remember, I used to have a bunch of indicators on the screen. I think I had about 4 things. I had a bunch of things going on there. It started confusing me. I started losing money when the indicators because I was just too focused on these things. And then I started peeling them off, and learning more about volume and just keeping what was basic. Just kind of kept what's working and got rid of what I felt that wasn't working and just kind of learned that. And my trading has just been off and learn options, learn how to sell options. Remember, most of them expire. So I was an option buyer. You lose money if it ain't going up. If it ain't doing what you want it to do, if you bought a call and it ain't going up, you're going to lose. If you bought a put and it ain't going down, you're going to lose, right? So I learned how to sell those, and I'll go long. I'll do some call debit spreads and not really put debit spreads unless I know the market's just, I might do some of those. And my trading just churned. I just started making money. Just forgetting about fundamentals. Who cares, man? You just buy what everybody else is buying. That's what's happening with the whole meme stocks, right? You're just buying what everybody's buying. Who cares what AMC is going to close down? The stock's going up. Let's buy it. And that's what's working. That's why that's even working for those guys.